Today we're going to be working on this thing. This is my new to me Super Duty, the aftermarket rigid fog lights. Every time I turn the fog lights on, they pop a fuse. So that's what I'm going to be trying to figure out today.
I'm in her mouth, we not the same. Flipping the funk, the heat, the fire, got the flame. Came with the gift, the gab, and blessed with lots of game.
Okay guys, so did a little bit of testing on these fog lights. 15 amp fuse with both of these outer rigid fog lamps unplugged. Turn the fog lights on. I have power and ground on both connectors. So I made up a little test light that was actually recommended to me by a Ford engineer when I was working at the dealership. The 3157 dual filament light bulb with both filaments tied together, and that actually really loads a circuit for when you're looking for a circuit that's got high resistance somewhere. If you have any kind of resistance in the circuit, that light will not turn on at 12 volt. Anyways, I found that with the driver's side fog light plugged in, it still works. As soon as I plugged the passenger side fog light in, it popped the fuse instantly. So it's not the wiring on the truck. I'm assuming it's an internal fault with this rigid SAE fog light. So I'm gonna see if I can maybe take this fog light apart and see if I can find the internal short. See if there's something I can do about it. If not, well, I guess I'm ordering a new fog light. Okay guys, so I'm not really sure what I did in the diagnostic process of the fog lights. For whatever reason, they seem to have kind of corrected themselves. Once I plugged them in for the final time, they just decided that they wanted to work and didn't blow the fuse. So I'm thinking maybe there was some moisture in one of the connectors. So I took them apart, blew them out, put some dielectric grease in them. It's been good for like 3 or 4 days so far, driving this thing every day. We're just gonna go with the fact that they're working and I don't need to go any further. I'm hoping you guys can still hear me half decent, because the traffic on this road is ridiculous at all times. And again, sorry for the interruption of like a year and no posting, but we are back and I'm gonna post. Like I said, I'm gonna try and get back to the weekly thing. For the new viewers, hit that subscribe button. For the subscribers, thank you for staying around and waiting. We do have more coming up on the Ranger. I've got parts ordered. This winter is just gonna be mainly dedicated to that truck. I'm hoping to get the motor running and all of the suspension figured out kind of by, I don't know, March, April, somewhere around there. But yeah, stick around, hit that subscribe button, like the videos, and you will see 3.5 liter EcoBoost Ranger. Let's get this channel going again.